The UNISON Wales Union Learning Fund project aims to increase the skills, confidence, well-being and employability of the public service workforce across Wales. When the pandemic hit, frontline staff in the public sector were under huge pressure. We saw hugely increased demand for certain services. NHS and social care workers, school support staff, police community support officers and other key workers all had to learn new ways of doing their jobs safely. We wanted to do everything we could to help, so we adapted our delivery to help public service employers like Cartrefi Cymru to deal with this increased pressure. We worked hard to deliver the learning virtually and to a much wider remit of people. The move to virtual learning was challenging at first, but we worked closely with our tutors to make the transition as smooth as possible. Since March 2020, we have supported over 2,500 frontline workers through a range of learning opportunities such as expert-led webinars, e-learning and learning grants. Looking to the future, our priority is to help workers, trade unions and employers to emerge safely from the pandemic. That includes preparing our learners to return to the classroom and cope with new ways of working and helping them to continue changing their stories.